My name is Johnna Powell. I lead tech research and innovation at DTCC. There's really three kind of industry verticals that I focus on. One is digital assets, the second is AI, and the third is emerging tech and next-gen capabilities. And within digital assets, we work very closely with our DTCC digital assets team on all of the initiatives that we have in tokenization, from everything that we've done last year with collateral mobility and the great collateral experiment, all the way through to what we're putting into production this year. One of the key initiatives we focus on is Web3 infrastructure. So that's everything from setting up Web3 production-ready environments to integrating Web3 components, integrating layer 1 and layer 2 blockchains, evaluating layer 1 and layer 2 blockchains for integration into our Web3 platform, and essentially making sure that that we're bridging the gap from where we are today to where we want to get in the future as a digital financial market infrastructure. It's amazing to think back on everything that's been happening over the last decade. Well, first of all, I haven't been in blockchain for a whole decade. I started in about 2018 when I joined Consensus, but to see just the amazing clip at which we're accelerating now, just over the last 2 years, has been incredible, right? Because in the US, we have much more regulatory clarity. We have much more buy-in from financial institutions, and that's a buy-in that we didn't have, 6 or 8 years ago. Certainly not 10 years ago. 10 years ago, all of this was kind of an experiment. No one knew where it was going to go. And now, just to see the incredible momentum, right? Like 2 years ago, well, I joined DTCC about 2.5 years ago. We acquired Securrency about 2 years ago or so, and that is what really was the catalyst for accelerating a lot of momentum at DTCC. What we're seeing now is just an incredible amount of participation, interest from financial institutions in participating in the Web3 and DLT ecosystem that we just at a level we haven't seen before. There's so many benefits to open sourcing and being part of an open source community, right? If you open up your code to an open source community, you kind of opening up the opportunity to continuously improve your code base. It's like having a free team of developers and maintainers, and that's just a huge benefit. So that's usually what I say when I'm having conversations with outsiders who are looking at the various opportunities to open source their code base. When we think about, where we're going to be in the next 5 years, I don't think anybody knows. When you think about quantum, when you think about AI, when you think about, autonomous agents, you think about DLT and actually really being a fundamental part of financial market infrastructure. It's all, a little bit mind-blowing, actually. But I think membership helps so much in that there really is a convergence around all the research. Lots of cutting edge work is happening within LFDT amongst multiple teams. Some are looking very specifically at quantum. Some are looking very specifically at AI agents. Some are looking very specifically at X402. Which is going to be sort of methodology for enabling agents to receive payments on blockchain. And that's a way that we can actually enable AI and DLT to merge. I mean, when you think about the future, agents are not going to be paid via a banking system or like a traditional banking institution. They're going to be paid in crypto, most likely. It's going to be important to understand that protocol. Right, so that's just a couple of examples. But what I love about coming to Member Summit or coming to any of the events that are held by LFDT and the members is being immersed in convergence of conversations. Because I always learn something every single time I attend. It's the community. The conversations are amazing. The panels are amazing. I think the insights are all wonderful, but I think it's also the side conversations that you have with people one-on-one, the people that you meet. That's just so incredibly valuable because there's so many follow-ups that happen as a result of that.